9 kilowatts ATC spindle for engraving and cutting normal materials. Adding a drilling boring units device is mainly used for drilling and milling various kinds of wood to make standard and smooth inner holes, which can ensure the accuracy of hole positions and product quality. A cutting saw with 300 mm diameter can cut maximum 50 mm thickness sheet at high speed, which is very suitable for the processing needs of furniture panels and door panels.